how to create a poll on WhatsApp group. So first of all, let's open up our App Store and make sure that the WhatsApp Messenger is fully updated to the last version so you can avoid the bugs and lagging, and you can get the new features. Alright, and after you've updated it, you're gonna just go ahead and click open the app, and we're gonna wait up for a few moments. And as you can see right here, this is the WhatsApp chat. You're gonna go ahead to any group that you are joined in. Let's say for example I want to go to this group. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see the blank on the chat. All right, and I will see camera, stickers, and microphone. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and click the plus button on the left, and you will see camera, photo, and document, location, contact, and poll. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here into the poll. All right, and I'm gonna just ask a question, who, for example, and you're gonna just go ahead and say one, and the last one, the name of that person. And after we add the two options, you can add another one if you wanted to. All right, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here and hit send. All right, okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.